Welcome to the Curious Culture Club, where we explore the fascinating intersection of science, ethics, and society. Today we delve into a recent medical miracle, CAR T-cell therapy, a groundbreaking cancer cure that's rewriting the rules of medicine. Imagine this, a world where your own body's cells can be reprogrammed to become super soldiers, fighting off cancer with unparalleled precision. That's the magic of CAR T-cell therapy. It's a treatment that uses a patient's own immune cells, genetically modified, to seek and destroy cancer. The world witnessed its power when a young child stricken with leukemia was cured, marking a momentous victory in the battle against cancer. This revolutionary therapy is not just a new treatment, it's a paradigm shift, a beacon of hope for millions. But as we celebrate this medical triumph, it's important to remember that with great power comes great responsibility, and this is where the story takes a twist. Enter CRISPR, a gene-editing technology that's making waves in the world of medicine. This remarkable tool, short for clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats, acts as a molecular scalpel, precisely cutting and pasting DNA sequences. Imagine being able to rewrite the blueprint of life, fixing genetic mistakes as easily as correcting a typo. The potential of CRISPR to revolutionize medicine is immense. One of the most promising applications of this technology is in the realm of CAR T-cell therapy. By harnessing the power of CRISPR, scientists have been able to reprogram immune cells to target and destroy cancer cells, offering a ray of hope to those battling the disease. This breakthrough in genetic engineering could pave the way for curing not just cancer, but a host of genetic diseases. But as we unlock the secrets of our DNA, we're also opening a Pandora's box of ethical quandaries. The prospect of rewriting our genetic code comes with profound questions about the limits of human intervention. The power to edit human DNA is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it offers unprecedented potential for medical breakthroughs. On the other, it raises deep ethical concerns. The crux of the ethical dilemma lies in the narrative that we might be playing God. The ability to alter the very building blocks of life, to rewrite the genetic code that makes us who we are, is an awe-inspiring power. Such power is not without its critics. A common concern is that gene editing could lead us down a slippery slope, from curing diseases to enhancing human capabilities, and even to selecting specific traits in designer babies. Public perception is a critical factor in this debate. Many people are understandably wary of such a profound scientific advancement. Fears of misuse, of creating a divide between the genetically enhanced and those who are not, and of unforeseen consequences, are all very real. The manipulation of the human genome is uncharted territory, and the questions it raises are as much philosophical as they are scientific. But let's consider the other side. What if we view gene editing not as playing God, but as using the tools science has given us to save lives? The potential to cure hereditary diseases, to prevent cancer, to eradicate conditions that have plagued humanity for centuries is a tantalizing prospect. It's not hard to see why many in the medical community are excited about these possibilities. The argument for gene editing is compelling. It's about giving people a chance at a healthy life. It's about parents not having to watch their child suffer. It's about the potential to wipe out diseases that have claimed millions of lives. Yet the ethical implications cannot be ignored. We must consider the potential for misuse, the societal implications, and the moral questions that gene editing raises. It's a delicate balance between the promise of unprecedented medical breakthroughs and the ethical responsibility that comes with such power. The question remains, are we playing God, or are we simply using science to save lives? As we stand on the brink of a new era in medicine, we're faced with a delicate balancing act between saving lives and ethical responsibility. DNA editing technologies such as CRISPR hold the promise of revolutionary medical treatments, yet they come with significant ethical considerations. These groundbreaking advancements could potentially alter the landscape of future medical practices. Imagine a world where genetic diseases are things of the past, where cancer is a conquerable foe. This is the promise that DNA editing holds. However, with this promise comes responsibility. The power to manipulate the human genome is immense, and it's essential that we handle it with the utmost care. There are valid concerns about the potential for misuse, the playing God narrative, and the alteration of what it means to be human. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in medicine, it's crucial that we navigate this ethical tightrope with care, ensuring that the promise of tomorrow doesn't undermine the values of today.